Good day, everyone. My name is Jacob Magdali, 1.3 BPED. Today, we're going to present my infographic video. This video shows important information in a simple and easy to understand way. My goal is to make information more interesting and easier to remember. And we hope this presentation helps you learn something new and see why this topic is important in real life. And let's talk about self-awareness. Self-awareness and identifying your own cultural background and recognizing how it shapes you, perceptions, values, and unconscious behaviors. And second, social awareness, absorbing and interpreting how and why people from other cultures act this they do without immediately judging them by our own cultural standards. And third, intercultural empathy. Intercultural empathy, the ability to stand in someone else's shoes and understand their perspective and through their own your cultural lens. And fourth, tolerance for ambiguity, and being comfortable in situations where cultural cues are unfamiliar or meaning are not immediately clear. Yeah. Pang five, my way is the only way means a lack of awareness that other ways of doing things even exist. And I know their way, but my way is better. It means recognizing difference but viewing them as inferior or inappropriate. Inappropriate. And my way and their way. And my ways means a clear understanding of multiple world views without making judgment about their relatives' merits. And my last our way bringing together the best aspect of different cultures to create a shared synergistic approach. And that's it. And example, greetings. Greetings, understanding the Japan. A kiss on check in parts of Europe or upon mano. Blessing in the Philippines are all culturally specific ways to show respect, communication context, um, recognizing that high context, cultural, what been China, Japan, really heavily or non-verbal cues and relationship, whereas low context culturals. Germany, USA, prioritize explicit direct communication and time sensitivity. Time sensitivity being aware that punctuality is viewed as a serious sign of respect in some cultures. Japan means Japan, while others may have more fluid approach to the time. Southern Europe and and, and port greetings etiquette. In a multicultural workplace, awareness means knowing whether to offer a firm handshake, common in the US and UK, and soft handshake, common in the parts of Africa, or both in common in Japan. And dining in hospitality in a service environment, stop and demonstrate awareness by adapting to the specific taste, religious dietary restriction, and communication style of international guests. And pang six, and educational inclusion. Teachers are multicultural, media and mirrors and windows. Activities to help students see their own culture reflected while gaining the window into the lives of others. And last, communication style. Communication style, it means understanding the different between high context and direct relying on nonverbal cues and low context. Direct explain cultures help prevent misunderstanding in global business negotiations. And that, thank you all. And that's the end of our of my infographic video. We hope we're able to understand the key points and learn something helpful today. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We truly appreciate it. Thank you.